Get ready to meet the all-new 2025 Nissan Frontier Pickup Truck, your ultimate adventure companion. This truck seamlessly blends comfort, technology, and rugged capability to enhance every journey you take. Imagine starting your adventure from a distance with the remote engine start feature, ensuring your Frontier is pre-cooled or warmed before you hop in. Once inside, you'll find an oasis of comfort with zero-gravity front seats and ample space to relax after a weekend of exploration. But the Frontier isn't just about comfort. It's designed for organization with smart storage solutions to keep all your gear in place for those last-minute missions. With advanced interior tech, connecting your devices is a breeze, and built-in Wi-Fi ensures you stay online without any hassle. Ready to turn up the excitement? Enjoy a premium audio experience with Fender-designed speakers and dual subwoofers that create a soundtrack for every journey. And when it's time to haul or tow, the Frontier offers robust payload features and an easy-to-use dampened tailgate, complete with LED bed lights for nighttime visibility. With advanced towing technology and impressive power from its powerful V6 engine, hitching up and hitting the road is simpler than ever. Plus, the Pro 4X model elevates your off-road adventures with specialized shocks and enhanced ground clearance. Safety is paramount, and with Safety Shield 360, you'll have the tools you need to navigate safely, allowing you to focus on the adventures ahead. The 2025 Nissan Frontier is ready when you are. So let's hit the road.